biggest lies about China. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well too. So today I am going to tell you about biggest lies about China, and I have left the biggest one at the end, so you can watch till end. So the number one is Chinese people are oppressed. Really? Before I tell you some things, let's have a look. Do you really feel they are oppressed? Look at the vibe over here. This is just a normal area in every corner of the city. So I came here just to enjoy my dinner and just to enjoy my weekend. But look at that. So the lie is Chinese people are oppressed here. Everyone get abused. Human rights abused here. No one has human right here in China. Before I came to China, I always thought that Chinese people are very serious. They are not happy. I had that image in my mind because the Western media portrays that Chinese people never smile. They live very sad life. That is the biggest lie you ever hear in social media. Because I am here right now and I cannot see any people are sad and oppressed over here. Look at them. If you have ever been to China, or if you watch the video, many of the YouTubers who have been to China recently, you can see how happy people here are, how much they are enjoying their life. Let's talk about the second lie. The second lie is Chinese economic collapsing. I mean, everyone in the world is so worried and everyone is just talking and making sure the world know about the debt that China has. I mean, seriously, if you go on the Western media, I mean, lot of people are very happy if they hear about Chinese economic collapsing. They feel happy. Oh, Chinese economic collapsing, housing collapsing, everything collapsing, but they do not know the real truth. If you check out the history about China, you will see Chinese economy growing and they are coming very strong day by day. But Western media portray it like that nothing is good now, everything is collapsing, nothing happening in China, the life is going to be hell. But you can see the life is same, everything is same. Every day you will see the new construction, every day you will see the new project, new business, and everything as usual. Nothing is impacting as Western media portraying. You can see there are big brands over here and everything same as before. Look at this, the Range Rover. Okay, the another lie, the third one is Chinese people do not have freedom of speech. Really? Look over here, the nice restaurant. We talk about it so often because firstly, a lot of Chinese citizens are allowed to say what they feel. Just think for yourself. China has a population of around 1.4 billion. Do you really think that people are not allowed to express the thing which they want? Here you can see the girls, they are taking selfies. So this is called the freedom. People have freedom to do whatever they want to do. I don't think so in any other country in the world have same level of freedom like here the girls have. The world portrays it that China has all these restrictions and China not allowed to talk about anything. The citizens here not allowed to talk. They are unhappy about something, but it's not true. They can talk about it. Like everybody have to follow the rules and regulation. It's not like you can go on the road and make chaos and prove your point right. If you ever felt like people are not happy here, you feel like people are sad here, then how they can enjoy this day-to-day life? They can stay at home and they cannot enjoy their life. But I'm showing you the real truth. Look at here, the barbecue restaurant. They are enjoying the same level of freedom like we go in any other country around the world. Okay, let's talk about the fourth lie. that is Chinese government is watching your every moves. And even I get some comment like they have camera inside your house and you don't even know. Are you serious? Especially for those YouTubers who are planning to travel to China, sometimes they get scared because of this kind of news. So camera is just for your safety and also to catch the bad people. For example, if someone is doing anything wrong with you, it's very good to have camera. You can easily catch the bad people, and that I like very much. Even every country has to adopt the same thing. If your intention is good and if you're doing good things, you should not be worried about the cameras around you. But if your intention is not good or you're a bad person, then better you not come here, otherwise you will be caught. Look at this, guys, what I have found. Look, those cute little puppies. Wow, so beautiful. Look here. If you see, if you think like everything is getting monitored and people are not allowed to do anything, look at them. Look at them. And especially people here, they feel so safe when they have camera around. Especially as a woman, it is very good for women's safety. Okay, then the fifth lie is Chinese people are not happy. I think that is completely lie. As I have shown you, I am walking on the street, I am shooting my videos, and I have seen a lot of Chinese people. They are enjoying their day-to-day life like normal people does. Then how can you say they are not happy? Look at this. Wow. In fact, if you see some data, it shows that Chinese people are the happiest people in the world. Let's have a look. See, how are you allowed to do this kind of stops in any other city? Look. See, look how people are enjoying their day-to-day life. Like, how can you say people are controlled by the government? Look at them. They are sitting outside enjoying their evening, their weekends. Even you can click the photos. Whatever you want to do, you can exactly do that. So these are the few lies which I wanted to talk to you about. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and family. Show your love and support. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.